Welcome to the uswestambay.com. Today's UPSC GS1 discussion is concept of nation and citizenship in context of communalism. The concept of nation and citizenship have been fundamental in shaping modern political systems. They serve as the backbone of the identity of a state, organizing its people and determining who belongs to it. These concepts, however, are not without controversy. One of the most complex and divisive issues surrounding these ideas is the relationship between nation, citizenship, and communalism. Communalism, in the context of politics and sociology, refers to the division of society along ethnic, religious, or cultural lines, which can lead to conflict, exclusion, and discrimination. Understanding the role of communalism in the framing of nationhood and citizenship is essential to recognizing how social identities and group politics influence the functioning of a state. The concept of nation. A nation is often understood as a large group of people who share a common identity based on factors such as culture, language, history, and sometimes religion. The idea of a nation-state emerged in the 19th century as a result of nationalist movement that sought to create politically unified entities out of culturally homogeneous groups. A nation is not just a geographical territory but a collective identity shaped by shared beliefs, traditions, and practices. However, the concept of a nation is more complicated than a simple cultural or ethnic grouping. Modern nation states, particularly in the post colonial world, are often made up of people from different ethnic, religious, and cultural backgrounds. In such states, the idea of nationhood becomes less about shared heritage and more about the establishment of a common political community. This idea was further reinforced in the post-World War II era when nations, especially those that emerged from colonial rule, began to define themselves not only by cultural markers but also by democratic values, rights, and governance structures. The concept of citizenship. Citizenship is the legal status of being a member of a nation state. It grants individuals specific rights and responsibilities, including the rights to vote, work, live within the territory, and the protected by the state's laws. Citizenship can be acquired by birth, descent, marriage, or through a legal process of naturalization. It is a legal bond between the individual and the state, ensuring that citizens have a recognized place within the polity. In democratic societies, citizenship is ideally based on principles of equality where all citizens, regardless of their ethnicity, religion, or background, are given the same rights and responsibilities. In theory, citizenship serves as a unifying force, drawing diverse individuals into a common political community. However, in practice, the ideal of universal citizenship is often undermined by forces of exclusion and the actual distribution of citizenship rights can be influenced by factors such as race, religion, or social class. Communalism and its impact. Communalism refers to the division of society along the lines of religion, ethnicity, or other identity markers. It is a phenomenon where political, social, and economic life becomes structured around these divisions, often leading to tensions and conflicts. Communalism can have a significant impact on the concept of nation and citizenship, as it challenges the ideals of equality and unity within a state. Communalism and national identity. Communalism complicates the formation of a cohesive national identity in a society divided along religious or ethnic lines. The idea of a unified national identity becomes difficult to achieve. Instead of fostering a sense of belonging to a common nation, people may identify more strongly with their religious or ethnic community. In such cases, national symbols such as flags or anthems may not have the same unifying effects on all citizens. For example, in countries like India, where there are numerous religious and ethnic groups, the question of what constitutes Indian identity has been a point of contention. The rise of Hindu nationalism has in some cases led to the marginalization of religious minorities such as Muslims and Christians, creating a sense of alienation and division within the nation. Thus, communalism in the form of religious or ethnic exclusivity can erode the possibility of a shared national identity that is inclusive of all citizens. Communalism and citizenship. The relationship between communalism and citizenship is equally problematic. While citizenship is meant to provide equal rights and protections to all individuals, communalism can lead to the creation of hierarchies in citizenship. In some cases, members of certain religious or ethnic communities may be granted preferred treatment while others are denied equal status. For example, in some countries, citizenship may be defined by religious identity, where certain communities are privileged over others. In this, we can see in the case of Israel, where Jewish identity is a criteria for citizenship, while Palestinian Arabs face significant challenges in acquiring citizenship. In India, the National Register of Citizens (NRC) process in Assam has led to the exclusion of many Muslim citizens who are left in a precarious position regarding their legal status. In such instances, communalism undermines the very principle of equal citizenship, replacing it with a system where access to rights and protections is based on uh, communalism. In practice, examples from history and contemporary times, the consequences of communalism on nationhood and citizenship are evident in various historical and contemporary cases. One of the most notable examples is the party partition of British India in 1947, which was driven by religious divisions between Hindus and Muslims. The criteria of India and Pakistan as separate nations states based on religious identity led to widespread violence, displacement, and a deep-rooted sense of division that continues to affect the legacy of participation and shaped the political and social landscape of South Asia, where religious identities remain central to discussions of nationhood and citizenship. In contemporary times, the rise of religious nationalism in countries like India and Myanmar has led to the exclusion of religious minorities. Some full citizenship right to in 2019 has been criticized for providing a path to citizenship for non-Muslim refugees from neighboring countries, while excluding Muslims. Such policies exacerbate communal tensions and undermine the inclusive ideas of citizenship, making it clear that citizenship is often defined by the state's prevailing communal ideologies. The interpretation of nation citizenship and communalism, a critical analyst relationship between nation citizenship and communalism is complex. On one hand, the concept of a nation state is supposed to unite people as shared as a political and legal framework, offering citizenship as a means of equal participation in public life. On the other hand, communalism fosters division, creating communities based on ethnicity, religion, or cultural that may not align with the state's political and legal framework, undermining the concept of an unified nation where every citizen, regardless of background, is supposed to have equal rights. Citizenship, in theory, providing a means to ensure equality and inclusive. However, when communalism is at play, citizenship becomes a tool for exclusion rather than inclusion. The social divisions created by communalism can lead to the unequal distribution of citizenship. Knights were strong groups even dread their legal status. In such a context, the ideal of universal citizenship, where all citizens are equal before the law, remains an aspiration rather than a reality. In becoming the concept of narrow citizenship and deeply affected by communalism. While nations are ideally meant to bring people together under a common political and legal framework, communalism often creates divisions that undermine the. Thank you for listening us. You can check out our website usabestmba.com.